Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I want to share with you one recipe, which is not really a skincare recipe, but it's a DIY, really nice. It's perfect for this time of the year recipe. It's a golden milk recipe. So if you don't know how to make a golden milk recipe, which has so many benefits, which I'm gonna go through with you later on, keep watching this video. So for one serving, you're gonna need a coconut milk in the can, yes. Then 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric, a half of the teaspoon of black pepper, a half of the teaspoon of fennel, a half teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, some cardamom, and 1 teaspoon of raw fresh organic honey. Yes, so we just try to get this pan here on boil. So I'm just gonna open the can and transfer my coconut milk into this jar. Okay, I'm placing it here. Of course, you don't have to do a double boiler method. I'm doing because my saucepan, you know, it's uncleanable now because I was using wax and stuff like this. But you can just put everything straight away in your clean saucepan. Now let the milk dissolve, warm up. Okay. And I can start adding my spices. So now I'm just gonna add all the ingredients, the whole spices, right? Instead of the honey. Honey I'm gonna add at the end, just before serving, that for it not to lose all the great benefits what honey has. So with the golden milk, it's a great substitute for winter season, especially for this hot chocolate, which everyone loves it. So it's more healthier option, and it has so many great benefits. It boosts your immune system, purifies blood, flushes out the toxins from the system. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in dealing with acne and clarifies the skin. So now you're just gonna mix it all together, let it bring it into the boil, mix it, making sure everything is mixed, melted, and when it's cooled off, just add a honey to your taste, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. And I'm just gonna get my big cup and just gonna pour my golden milk in it. Of course, if you don't like it, or if you want to have just a little bit, share it with someone, because in here it was like about 2 cups, but I like to drink a lot of it. Not every night, but every second night or so, and especially for this winter season, it's just perfect.